Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video.
Welcome back to a new video.
So as you can see in 1 second, it is snowing. It's coming down pretty good right now. So me and Katie about to go hit the gym real quick. Jeez. I'm sure nobody's gonna be there. It's gonna be pretty empty. So yeah, luckily we're going to do that. Then we gotta go get some salt. We gotta get a little bit of salt. Be careful, babe. For our walkway, we gotta get some shovels because we was living in an apartment last time. So we need some shovels.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna go get this done before the snow gets bad. Our gym is in the mall.
We made it to the gym in this cold weather.
Katie was so scared. Don't let her fool you. She sounds happy,
because Nathaniel likes to drive with no hands.
You gotta let her
in
know.
the snow. Like, I'm confused. You have precious cargo in here.
I'm a professional driver.
Yeah, that's what I hear all the time. Professional driver.
Just finished.
Yes.
We killed that shit.
We out here.
It's so slushy.
I know, my booty is about to fall off right now.
Bubby.
Leg day workout.
Yes, oh my gosh, my legs are already done for.
They got all the snow barrels out.
Yay.
This place is pretty cool.
Marshmallow?
They have everything. It's like a Chinese import place. So we need a shovel and what? Some salt
and whatever
or
else we can find.
Salter. Oh, is that what you want to do? You want to go shopping?
Yeah.
Go shopping? Look, this is my first year not having my truck. Put a couple of video clips while we're talking over this. A couple of pictures of all the trucks that I had. We had no worries going out there. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, that
we
was
had
so
no
much
worries, and now it's like we got a little car. Like, what do we do?
We got worries up in Bub.
I'm cold.
Don't you fall.
I bet.
That's for you, my lady.
Thank you. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we need to.
Christmas toys.
Alright guys, look, we got a shovel. Big shovel. We got a big shovel. Okay. Got some salt for the driveway, the stairs,
They have balls here.
some plump unicorns.
Oh, come on. This is one of those
Short-legged, plump unicorns.
This is what you're supposed to do.
What did Nugs? Nuggy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
901 Shelby Drive,
Tell them, babe, what is this, female heaven?
Oh my god. Look, they got root beer float. This is banana nut bread. Oh my god. Dude.
Dude, that's so legit.
Dude.
Which one is that?
Root beer float.
Oh my god. Alright, babe, complete the mission.
Ought to get some milk.
Go get it.
Whew.
Got
It's
it?
crazy in there. Oh my god.
Alright guys, let's go get it, babe. Just got it home. Got everything, right?
Yeah.
Now we gotta put a little salt down.
It's so cool.
Let's go here, umbrella. Umbrella. Whew. Now the work begins, right?
Yeah, for real. It's cold.
Shovel. Salt. Let's get it. Look like you about to go on a ski trail.
I'm freezing.
You look cute though. Let's see the fit. Ooh. Ooh. Basically, I just finished up plowing just a bit and it's already back. Me and babe about to salt the stairs. Maybe we should do the driveway a little bit.
Yeah.
Mission accomplished. Ain't that right, babe?
Yes!
We got the salt all out. We got everything all shoveled. It's looking good. The salt's working really good.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for joining us on our first snow day preparing fuel, milk, salt, shovel. We got everything done so far. We hope you enjoyed this video.
If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see y'all on the next video.